Hey guys, it's Kara from thatbeautyaddict.com, and today I'm going to reveal what's in the box that I got from Charlotte Tilbury. So let's get started. So I know it kind of looks like a mess. So I'm just going to pull all this paper out and show you what they sent me. So just so you know, I am a Magic Beauty Stars affiliate with Charlotte. And when you do the challenges that they give you and you rank up to different levels, that's when all the gift boxes start coming in. So this is one of the promotional boxes that they sent me. And it looks like I got 6 of the Magic Beauty wands, which I'm excited to check out. Let's see, this one is Spotlight. That's one of the ones that I got. And this one is called Pinkgasm Sunset. This is more of a blush. What is this one again? Spotlight. Spotlight is more of a highlighter. This one is going to be more of a blush. And these go on like creams, which are really cool. And this one is Peachgasm, which is also a blush with a little shimmer. This one is Pinkgasm, also has a little shimmer to it. Let me see, this one is Pillow Talk. This is the Pillow Talk blush. And then this one is Pillow Talk in medium. That's the other blush that I got. So let's open these up and see what they look like. So these are the colors. This is what they look like when you take them out of the box. And I'm going to put each one on my hand so you can actually see the shades. So these are the shades. This top one here, that is the this particular one. Which one is this one? This one was Pinkgasm? No, this isn't Pinkgasm. Sorry about that. This is Pinkgasm Sunset. So it's kind of a corally color, and that's the top one there. It's kind of like a frosty blush. That looks really pretty on darker skin, or if you're tan. That one I'm excited to try. So that's this color. The next one that I put on my hand is called Spotlight. And Spotlight is that silvery color right there. And that is a beautiful highlighter. So you can pretty much use that on your cheekbones, mix it with anything really. So that's Spotlight. This one is Pinkgasm. Pinkgasm is right below Spotlight, right there in the middle. That's Pinkgasm. And then right after that is Peachgasm. And those two are frosty highlighting blushes, but they are blushes just like the Pinkgasm Sunset. So they are also blushes, whereas the Spotlight is strictly a highlighter. Next up we have Pillow Talk. And after that, we have Pillow Talk in medium. Those are highlighters. So the last two here on my arm, this one here is the Pillow Talk medium, and the one below it is Pillow Talk, which is a little bit lighter. So you can see the difference between all the colors. But generally speaking, the only ones you would use as blushes are the Pinkgasm Sunset, which is that one right there on the end, and these two here in the middle, which is Pinkgasm and Peachgasm. That's Spotlight, which is more of a highlighter, and the two on the end are Pillow Talk and Pillow Talk Medium, which are also beautiful highlighters. So that's what they look like on my skin. And they are gorgeous. They glow. They're so pretty. And I can't wait to play with them and try them on. And I have to say thank you to Charlotte because I think that's wonderful that she takes care of her affiliates this way. So if you're interested in these products, like I said, I'm a Magic Beauty Stars affiliate with Charlotte. You can go to my link, which I will drop below in the comments, and you can purchase these fine items. And make sure you copy my discount code, which is also below, as well as on my Magic Beauty Stars site, because you will get 15% off your first purchase. I will tell you that if it's your first time purchasing with Charlotte online, you can use it, but it doesn't, you can't use it for virtual consultations, bundles, or any special pricing that we have because those prices are already discounted. But you can use it if you choose to buy this, or maybe some other products to go with your blushes, like a foundation or some eyeshadow or lipstick. You can definitely use my 15% off. So I hope you found my video helpful, and I hope you check out these wonderful colors. They are really pretty. I can't wait to start playing with them on my cheeks. But right now I'm just showing you what they look like on my hand. So anyway, like I said, my link will be below, and if you have any questions or need help picking out colors, feel free to reach out to me. I'd love to help you. Otherwise, I hope you're having a wonderful day, and I hope to talk to you soon. Bye.